Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram. You ready? So today I'm going to talk about education. This is an essential topic because education is an important part of our life. Most people get some kind of education. Education is different in different countries, but today we talk about education in the US. So first, let's talk about the different levels of education in the US. The first level of education is preschool. In the US, kids go to preschool when they're 4 years old, but not everyone goes to preschool. Some people don't go. I went to preschool when I was 4. I didn't like it because I was very shy. I didn't like playing with other kids when I was young. In preschool, children play a lot, but they also learn. After preschool, children go to kindergarten. Usually, kids start kindergarten when they are 5 years old. In the kindergarten, children start learning more things. For example, they learn to read, write, and make art. They also learn how to be good students. I remember that when I was in kindergarten, we had this slide. If we did something bad, we got in trouble. I never got in trouble because I was a good student. So after kindergarten, you go to elementary school. In the US, most elementary school includes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth grade. But some elementary schools don't include sixth grade. In each year of elementary school, you only have one teacher. You have the same teacher all year. In my option, elementary school isn't that difficult in the US. Of course, you get homework, but it's not too much. In elementary school, you learn many things like math, second, history, and English. At this level, you spend about 6 hours at school. Then, after elementary school, you go to middle school or junior high. I say middle school, but both of these names are correct. Middle school usually includes 7 and 8 grade. Thus, at this level, students have many teachers like 6 or 7. I had 6 different classes each year in middle school. Each class were 1 hour long. I didn't like middle school. It's much harder than elementary school. You get more homework and you have more tests. Then after middle school, you go to high school. In the US, high school includes 9, 10, 11, and 12 grade. This is the most important time for students in the US. If you want to go to college 10 is important to do well in high school. High school can be difficult, but it depends on your teacher. Some teachers give a lot of homework and some teachers don't. And some teachers are good at teaching and some teachers aren't. I had some good teachers in high school, but I also had some bad teachers. So after high school, some people took college and some people don't. Of course, there are different levels of university and you can earn different degrees there. Okay, so lastly, let's look at a few important vocabulary words related to education. First, let's talk about the word race. We use word race to talk about how well you did in a class or on the test. In the US, these grades are A, B, C, D, and F. An A race is the best, and an F race is the worst. Okay, the next word is recess. In the US, recess is the short break that elementary school students have during their school day. During recess, students play, talk, or eat a snack. This break is usually 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, the last phrase you should learn is bachelor degree. The bachelor degree is the degree you get after 4 years of university. It's lower than a master's degree. Alright, that's all for today.